Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2009 Buick Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front-wheel drive, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.